You're pacing behind me the whole time.
Yeah, well, if you're gonna go 95, I'll go 95 behind you.
You understand what patrol speed is?
I understand. If you're not going code 3 anywhere, man. You're not above the law. So you're writing me a ticket.
Yes.
Cool. I'll bring this to court. It's got everything on your driving on it. But I suggest you don't show up. Not gonna be a good day for you.
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Today, we revisit a video that was submitted by a viewer named Matt to provide a final update. Matt was traveling southbound on California's Highway 99 when he observed California Highway Patrolman Lara driving at speeds exceeding 90 miles per hour. Matt was able to pace the officer while recording with his phone. The maximum speed limit is 70 miles per hour, and in many states, driving 20 miles per hour over the speed limit is considered reckless driving. However, California defines it as operating a vehicle in willful or wanton disregard for the safety of persons or property, leaving the determination up to the citing officer. Officer Lara obviously feels he is exempt from the law, though he has probably written uncountable tickets for it. After a few minutes of recording, Officer Lara pulled into the emergency shoulder, braked aggressively, and re-entered Matt's lane to initiate a traffic stop. When the officer exited his vehicle, he was in civilian clothing and had to retrieve his vest before approaching Matt's car.
Hello, how's it going?
How's it going, man?
Good, how are you doing?
License?
I do.
What? Driver's license, please?
Sure, no problem. I'm being recorded, just letting you know.
That's fine. You're pacing behind me the whole time.
Yeah, well, if you're gonna go 95, I'll go 95 behind you. I got you on video, too.
That's fine.
Gotta be an example, man.
You understand what patrol speed is?
I understand. If you're not going code 3 anywhere, man. You're not above the law.
I didn't say I was.
Okay, then why are you doing 95 weaving out of traffic? I got you on dash cam here too.
But if I'm going 70 miles per hour, I'm going to cause a big backup back there.
Well, then I was just staying with you, man.
Okay, give me your registration insurance.
Sure. Somewhere here. It's not do as I say, not as I do, man. Hang on just a second.
At this point, the officer has offered two excuses for why he can drive over 90 miles per hour in a 70 zone. California Vehicle Code Division 11, Chapter 1, Article 2, Subsection 21055 states that the driver of an authorized emergency vehicle is exempt from obeying traffic signs and signals, passing on the right, yielding to the right of way, illegal turns, driving upon a highway at speeds above the limit, and much more, but only if they meet all of the following conditions. First, the vehicle must be driving in response to an emergency call, in the immediate pursuit of an actual or suspected violator of the law, or is responding to, but not returning from, a fire alarm. Second, the driver of the vehicle must sound a siren, and the vehicle must display a lighted red lamp, visible to other drivers and pedestrians. It is unclear whether Patrolman Lara was responding to an emergency call while out of uniform, but if he was, it seems rather odd that he would abandon an emergency to pursue a simple infraction. It is also odd that he was not using the visual and audible devices on his cruiser to indicate such. His second excuse was that driving the speed limit would cause traffic, but I highly doubt the courts would accept that as a feasible explanation. Matt gives Officer Lara his paperwork, but could not find a current insurance card, though his policy is up to date. Officer Lara adds the infraction to a ticket, claiming Matt was traveling at 85 miles per hour.
What's the scoop?
Did you find your insurance?
I didn't, no. So you're writing me a ticket?
Yes.
Cool. I'll bring this to court. It's got everything on your driving on it. You almost caused an accident back there by cutting that motorcycle off, and you've been passing on the right. You've been tailgating people. I got you all on camera, man. I'll see you in court.
All right.
Cool. But I suggest you don't show up. Not gonna be a good day for you. Dude, you can't do that, man. That's wrong, dude. You can't force a law here when you're not gonna follow it yourself.
I'm not gonna sit here and argue with you.
That's fine. Give me the ticket. Let's go.
Okay.
You can't do that, man. That's wrong.
Do you understand what patrol speed is? If
Bullshit,
I'm going
your
70
patrol
miles per hour.
Also, I can go 70 miles an hour and not cause a problem? You're not going to pull me over?
But nobody's going to pass me.
Nah, bro. You were passing people on the right-hand side. Don't give me that shit.
It's a lane, right? Was I on the shoulder?
See you in court, dude. Don't show up because you're not going to have a good day. Am I free to go?
Hey, hold on. I got to give you a ticket.
The video ends there, but Matt went on to file an official complaint against Officer Lara that was overseen by Sergeant Kalk and Captain Clays of the Central Division in Fresno during a meeting with Internal Affairs. One of the officers defended Lara's speeding, but in December of 2021, the complaint was substantiated. Hundreds of comments were left on the CHP Facebook page, condemning the actions of Officer Lara, especially amidst reports that the CHP was beginning more aggressive speeding enforcement, just not on their own employees. Those comments were deleted by the CHP. In the 2017 Supreme Court case of Packingham v. North Carolina, the court ruled that social media had become a modern public square, a powerful tool for ordinary people to exercise their First Amendment rights to freedom of speech, and many have sued for deleted comments and being blocked. 2 months after the encounter, the day prior to Matt's court date, Matt called the clerk and was told that the CHP had never filed the ticket. 5 months after the encounter, the CHP finally filed it, and at Matt's first appearance, Officer Lara requested a continuance claiming he was on a call. Finally, on January 11th, 2022, Officer Lara failed to appear again, and the case was dismissed. In my conversations with Matt, he asked me to read his public statement in regards to the incident. It reads as follows. Officer Felix Lara, it seems as if you took my advice and chose not to show up to court. I am bummed that you didn't, even after you requested a continuance. I was looking forward to completely shredding your character and story apart in front of the judge and other officers present. You are a coward. You didn't even have the guts to defend your decision to write me a ticket that day, which proves that you know you were wrong. I know you were just trying to waste my time by not showing up twice, but it's okay, I've lost nothing. I hope that after all this you remember that this was the anthill you, sir, chose to die on. You are a poor example of an authority figure, and the type of officer that brings the reputation the CHP has against them. I hope you learn from this, and that other good officers chastise you for your poor choice and actions. Remember that anything and everything you do is being scrutinized and will be held against you. You took an oath to be above reproach, and you broke that oath. Where is your integrity? Stop your egotistical behavior, get over yourself, stop making your department look bad, and adhere to the oath that you took from now on. Be better. I would also like to thank CHP Internal Affairs for backing me up on my complaint. Please properly punish this officer for his poor choices. Let me know what you think of this interaction in the comments section down below, and remember to always film your interactions with law enforcement and take screenshots of your comments on Facebook. As always, thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like to submit for review, use the link in the description or pinned comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for future content. And remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. It really helps the channel. If you enjoy our content, try our other channels, Lackluster Limited for criminal psychology content, and The Odd Side for paranormal videos. Shirts and other merchandise are available at the Teespring store. Memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to help further support the channel and get a slick Lack logo next to your name. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. All links are down below.